Hey Tamer, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at this gorgeous and beginner-friendly wear and go wig from Unice. So let's hop right into a quick unboxing. As I mentioned, this wig is from Unice Hair, so thank you Unice for sending her over. The wig did come with some of those typical goodies in the box, as well as a couple of really nice extras like this mirror and this beautiful pink robe. And of course, the wig itself. Okay, so let's take a look at the cap construction and details. This is the brown piano highlights bob wig. She's 12 inches long and 150% density. We've got an adjustable elastic band, combs in the front and one in the back. No adjustable straps, but it does have a silicone band for extra grip. She has a 6 by 4.5 inch parting area with pre-cut lace and a pre-plucked hairline. I went ahead and threw her onto my wig head just so we could get a better look at the style. As I mentioned, they pre-plucked the heck out of this wig and they pre-cut the lace, which makes it a super easy and quick install for beginners or just for lazy wig wearers like me who like to just be able to throw on their wig and run out the door. This hair is such a pretty color with a nice healthy shine. She's super bouncy with really good movement as well. And I love that I could save some time and skip the step of cutting off the lace. Before I threw her on, I did run a flat iron through the wig just to smooth out any of those weird flips and crimps that wigs can tend to get from being shipped in the box. And that is all I did initially. I went ahead and threw her on after I ran the flat iron through her.
Okay, so this is with the wig just thrown on my head. It is a pretty big cap, so I really am going to have to use the elastic band and tighten it up pretty well. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, fresh on my head. The lace is pretty thin and transparent, so that's why you can see that stocking cap underneath.
Okay, so as I mentioned, the lace is very transparent, but it was a little bit too light for my skin, as you could see. So I did go ahead and tint the lace. I also took off the wig cap so you wouldn't be able to see it underneath the lace.
The lace is blending in a lot better now.
When I threw her back on, she blended and fit to my head so much better. Now the wig was a little big on my head, as I'd mentioned, so I personally needed to tighten up the elastic band almost all the way. So for a little more of a seamless lay and slay, I used a little bit of Got2B Gel just to help it lay flatter for me. I also added some baby hairs with a little bit of edge control, which is super optional of course, but I just thought it would make it look a little more natural, and it definitely did. To be honest, I could have just done this baby hair step and skipped the Got2B Gel and it would have had the same effect. With minimal effort, look how cute she is, you guys. This wig is available in 10, 12, and 14 inches and in 150 and 180% density options. I personally had zero shedding or tangling with this wig. I don't really have any complaints personally for this wig. It's definitely going to be in my main rotation. Basically has everything going for it. It's easy, it's quick, very cute style and color, super nice quality. Yeah, she's definitely that girl. I absolutely loved the look with the bob nice and straight. It was very cute, very slick, but I wanted to play around with it a little bit and jazz it up with a little bit of pearls. So I used my curling wand to put some very loose, quick curls just framing the face, and I loved this look. I'll probably always wear it like this just because I thought it was so cute. And that's it, you guys. If you are loving this style and color, go ahead and tap that like button for your girl. If you enjoy wig reviews like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. I will have the link to this wig and the details down in the description box. Feel free to check her out on the Unice website and let me know down in the comments what you think. And I will catch you all in the next video. Bye!